I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 without using the Steam platform. Many players seek alternatives to Steam for various reasons, and it is indeed possible to enjoy this classic zombie shooter independently. We will guide you through the necessary steps, from obtaining the game files to setting it up and even exploring multiplayer options. This approach offers flexibility and a different way to experience the game. The first crucial step is to obtain the Left 4 Dead 2 game files as a standalone client. You will need to find a reputable source that offers a non-Steam version. Be sure to exercise caution and verify the integrity of any downloaded files to ensure they are safe and complete. The base game usually requires around 13 gigabytes of free disk space, so plan accordingly for your download and storage. Once you have successfully downloaded the game files, the next step is installation. You will typically extract the compressed files to a folder of your choice, then locate and run the setup executable. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, launch the game and take a moment to adjust your video, audio, and control settings to best suit your preferences and hardware for an optimal experience. With the game installed, you can now launch Left 4 Dead 2 directly from its executable file in the installation directory. You can enjoy the thrilling single-player campaign or engage in local co-op with friends. For online multiplayer, many non-Steam versions allow you to connect to community-run servers, offering a vibrant online experience. These versions often support up to 4 players in cooperative game modes, bringing back the classic team-based zombie survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.